Hi, I'm Allie. Join me as I show you how to do these 2-minute holiday earrings. They can be snowflakes, they can be wreaths. You can make a ton of them really, really quickly with just a few supplies. If you need any supplies, look below the video in the description to get links back to our site to gather up your materials. Let's get ready and get started to make these earrings quick. All right, ready for this 2-minute holiday wreath and holiday earring? We are going to start with 6 of our 4mm pearls, and we are going to tie them into a loop at the bottom of size 6 dragon thread. I have black on here. You can do crystal, you can do green, whatever color you want. Whether or not you want to make it look like a snowflake or make it look like a little wreath here, either section works. After you have your collection of 6 there and your knots tied in, you're going to sew through the next purl in line, and you're going to pick up 1 8/0 seed bead into the next purl, and that 8/0 is just going to kind of float in the middle there. It's not going to sit directly in the middle, otherwise we would have added it at the same time, but we don't want it to sit in the middle because we want it to sit a little bit higher up. 6 8/0s go on in between the 6 4mm pearls that are already there. Want to make it bigger? Then use 8s. Want to make it smaller? Use 3s. So this is just a really simple technique. You're going to see basically what fits. As you're doing this, you want to make sure that the 8/0 seed beads don't get twisted with a lot of thread showing around them, since they are going into a smaller space. Step up through the 8/0 that you just added. 1 11, 1 4mm bicone, or 3, 1 11, and into the next 8/0 seed bead. Whole way around here, adding in these 6 bicones to sit right on top in between the 6 8/0 seed beads. You can also, if you have one handy, use a 15/0 seed bead. I'm using the Magic Wine, which kind of has both green and red colors in. And I know I'm going quickly, but you can always slow this down or watch and repeat. But it's the same thing over and over. It's as simple can be. That's why they're the 2-minute holiday earrings. And in 2 minutes, you can get the whole earring made. Both sides for 2 minutes. Once you've got them all in, you're going to go through the first 11/0 and the 4mm bead that you originally added into your thread and determine what kind of ear wire or earring you're putting them on. I'm going to be working with a Huggie, so I'm just making a loop that's big enough for the Huggie to go through. I'm going to add 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 11/0 seed beads. Go back through the crystal that my thread is currently coming out of and make that little loop there. These also work as little charms if you want to create a holiday charm bracelet with some of the Athenacast charm collections and have these hang down for a little bit of color. Once you're done with this holiday wreath charm, you're going to go back towards the interior, the whole way down from the 11 to the 8 to the interior 4mm seed bead. Flip over, look and see where your thread end is coming and going. Sew over so that your thread edge end meets with the thread beginning through the 4mm pearls. Flip to the back of the design to finish off this earring and simply tie those 2 thread ends into a knot. These are a perfect little present, perfect little gift, perfect little thing to do with friends. It's so simple that you don't really know how to bead to be able to make it. Go in with your thread burner or thread zap then after 2 little knots. Burn down your thread edges, flat to the project. Stick them on your Huggie earrings, and you have your little wreath there on. You can make little snowflakes, wreaths, hang them down, or make them even tiny little ornaments for a Christmas tree. Thanks so much for joining me in creating these 2-minute quick holiday earrings. They are super simple, easy to make, and even great for beginner beaders as well too if you want to share your love for beading this holiday season. Change up the colors and show us your pictures of your designs in our Facebook group for beading and jewelry making. As always, if you need the materials, look below the video in the description box. There's a little show more button. You hit that and you get links back to our website. If you haven't yet, hit that little subscribe button. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more quick and inspirational designs.